I wasn't gonna do it, but I did it. And I ended up ordering the RWD 13-inch piggybacks last night. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Leggo, and today we're going to be talking about our MotoVlog setups, some future projects, and some other stuff. So make sure if you like the video to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Yeah, so our equipment, as you guys know, I said in my last video and in our last MotoVlog and the first one, because this is MotoVlog 3.
It's actually like MotoVlog 10.
Yeah, but yeah, so again, I just keep having problems. By the way, if you're a subscriber and you have a GoPro 7, please message us. My GoPro, I don't know what it is. I just changed the auto shut-off setting. Yeah, I just changed the auto shut-off setting. It was set at 15 minutes. I don't know if my camera was shutting off after that 15 minutes, because there'd be times when we would be recording and it would only record like 8 or 12 minutes of a MotoVlog, and we'd get back and we'd be like, oh hell yeah dude, we got some good footage, talked about some cool shit, and then I'd go to my GoPro and only, like I said, like 12 minutes would recorded. So if you got a GoPro 7, let me know. Let me know if that's happened to you. If you know how to fix it, let me know also, please. But that's what we did. We just turned off the auto shut-off feature to never. But anyways, yeah, GoPro 7. Picture quality is good, but we just run into... I don't think I really know how to use it all that well, because that keeps happening. And then, like I said in my last video, had a lot of microphone, a lot of audio problems. So yeah, the shitty thing about running a GoPro 5 or above is you have to have the microphone adapter, which costs $49. The first one I had didn't work. We shot like 4 videos. Again, good footage, awesome footage, and couldn't use any of it because it was just Leggo talking to himself the whole time, and just really freaking frustrating. Sent it back, got a new one, was using a different microphone, got a new microphone, which I can't remember what it's called, but Leggo will put it in the he'll put the link in the bio. Anyways, so now I think we're good. We're leaving Wilmington. We just went to the Harley down here.
Coastal Carolina Harley Davidson, I think.
Yeah, just came down here to ride. Oh Jesus, I'm sure you all just saw that.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing.
We're looking to see if they had a
dipstick, an oil dipstick for a Dyna, and apparently no Harley Davidson in North Carolina has a Harley, or has a oil dipstick, which, well, with the temperature sensor on it. All right, and it's also $150. So I'm gonna go to like J&P Cycles or some other place and see if I can get it for cheaper. Because as you guys all know, if you have a Harley, everything on it is made out of gold, 100% gold, and HG actually stands for $100. You know. So, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it cheaper.
Yep, so we're just on the way back, and just left Wilmington. By the way, if you're ever in eastern North Carolina, check out Wilmington, North Carolina. Pretty cool. They got a historic downtown. They got a lot of cool bars and restaurants. Check it out. Anyways, on the way back, try to shoot a MotoVlog on the way down again. Recorded 12 minutes. yeah, so I'm running GoPro 7. Got a showy 1200 RF, or yeah, 1200 RF helmet. I used to have a Simpson, and I liked it. The only thing I didn't like about my Simpson was that it didn't have a transition lens. This helmet has I bought a transition lens with it. If you can look in the mirror, you can see it's pretty good. I didn't like having to change the lens or wear sunglasses or anything like that. Yeah, so this helmet's super comfortable. Was running the Simpson, tried out a Bell. My buddy at FXDLS_George told me to get this one. I didn't listen to him at first, and here I am on record saying that I should have listened to him. He was right. This helmet is freaking awesome. I was actually talking to my uncle earlier. Me and Leggo both have Sennas. I have the SMH10. We were both talking earlier, I was talking to my uncle earlier. I was going 60 miles an hour. He said he could hear me clear. Sounded better than if someone had him on Bluetooth in a car. So, and this model in particular is a few years old too. They got like 3 newer versions. But yeah, that's just the equipment that I'm running. I'll let Leggo talk about his.
Yeah, so I have a 20S Senna. The 20S is just like the slim version, so the speakers for the headphones are slimmer, but the helmet that I have, it's actually Rod's old helmet. It's a Simpson Bandit. It's one of the older versions. I think the newer versions have air holes or air vents, whatever. But this helmet lets in a lot of wind, so if you're going to use this for motovlogging, what I do is I have to put in iPhone headphones in order for it to work. Otherwise, I can't hear Rod above like 40 miles an hour. So I actually have headphones in right now. It's kind of annoying just because I feel like I have cords everywhere. I love this helmet. It's already saved my head once, so I'll rock Simpson probably till I die. Microphone, I'll put a link in the description. I haven't had any problems. I'm using a GoPro4. I never really used it before we started our channel, but now I use it all the time. I haven't had one issue with it. You know, I think as they try to upgrade stuff, they make it a little bit more and more confusing. I feel like using this one, it's been pretty easy. But yeah, that's our motovlog setup. So now we're gonna roll into talking about some future projects, and I'll let Rod start off.
Yeah, so if you guys saw our last video, or one of our last videos, then you saw the Harbor Freight lift that we got. Got it at the parking lot sale for right around $300, and you guys saw the video if you're a subscriber, if you saw the video. So we're really excited to utilize that thing. But last night, actually, I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I did it. Yeah, I broke down. So what I was trying to do was I was trying to be cheap, but I also didn't see the need for it. But I bought RWDs, the piggybacks. Yeah, you know, I was talking to a couple guys on Instagram. They said that they weren't going to get them either. One got them. He said it's night and day. You know, I was looking at the Olin's emulsion shock, but you know, the FXDLS comes with emulsion shocks, and yeah, premium suspension that costs like $600 anyways. I mean, not bad shocks, better than other Dynas, but like not the best. You'd definitely get better. So I was looking at the Olin's, and they were $600, and I was like, well, it's kind of, I mean, obviously Olin's is really good, makes really good products, but I just felt like the upgrade wasn't going to be what I wanted. And then I was looking at the Hagen Nitros because, you know, a lot of people talk really highly about those. Everybody says they're the best bang for your buck in shocks. I looked at the ODCs. You know, I looked at the Ohlins, I think the 753s. And yeah, last night I just pulled the trigger, impulse buy, total impulse buy. So we're gonna be probably throwing those on next week sometime, hopefully. Get that video out to you guys. Super excited about it, and that lift will come in really handy. We're also, probably while we're doing that, we're gonna show off my bags. We've been getting a lot of questions about those bags, or the bags I'm running. Oh yeah, that's right. And then that other upgrade that yeah, I kind of want to be a surprise for you guys because I don't see a lot of guys doing it, and we'll just talk about that later. But yeah, so that's what I got going on with my bike. You know, I feel like I'm more trying to be like suspension based upgrades first before I get a little more into the performance. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing what I'm doing first, and I'll let Leggo talk about what he's got, a little bit what he's got coming up.
Yeah, so as far as upgrades go, I'm kind of all over the place, but so my bike came with an exhaust, so I just recently I put the intake on it. I feel like the throttle response is a bit more snappy now. You know, I'm enjoying it. I just used the Vance & Hines Fuel Pack 3, and actually I just put a new tune on my bike before I came out here, so I think that's making a little bit of a difference. But as far as future things going, my bike's about to hit 5,000 miles, so I'm going to be doing an oil change, so I got that coming up. My next big thing is most likely going to be chain drive. I'm really interested in that, and as far as chain drive goes, I heard 24 tooth sprocket in the front and then 51 in the back, and that's about as close to stock as you could get. And that's what I'm interested in, because I'm not trying to do wheelies, you know, and I just want like all around be able to do whatever I want on this thing. So I don't want to go like too big and just only have really high top speed, you know. So I'm gonna try to get as close to stock, but what I heard is if you have 13.5-inch shocks or above, is that you can only run a 25 in front or bigger, because it will contact the primary case, the chain will. So I need to find out a little bit more about that, so I'm gonna research that. If you guys know, let me know if you guys had any clearance issues. But yeah, that's the next big thing going on my bike, and it's really all I can think of.
Yeah, and that Harbor Freight lift will really make a lot of these jobs a lot easier. So
we'll be coming out with a good video for that.
yeah, we've seen a couple, and you know, there's some decent videos out there, but we don't want to be those guys that skip a step or don't show something fully in detail. I mean, if it takes us 20 minutes to do a video, or if it obviously will take us longer, but if the video is 20 minutes because we want to show you guys everything, like that's our full intention, you know. We want you guys to watch our videos and not have to, you know, watch one video because one part is better and then click back on our videos and then go to somebody else's videos because like we skipped a step. Like we're not trying to be those guys, because there's a lot of good footage out there on a lot of these installs, but you got to click around a little bit. Alright guys, that's going to do it for Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Leggo, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.